Hi viewers, this is Kapembwa once again from Fountain School. I have a wonderful lesson that I'm going to present before you, and I want you to pay attention as I read through a second story that will have questions after reading. So this story is about someone who was late for school, and I would like you to pay attention as I read this story for you. So this story goes like this. One day Mtinta was late for school. The teacher asked why she was late. She said that she was late because a fox came to her house. The fox ate the chickens, so the chickens could not wake the cock. The cock could not wake the sun, and so the sun could not wake her. Okay, I am going to read through once more. One day Mtinta was late for school. The teacher asked why she was late. She said that she was late because a fox came to her house. The fox ate the chickens, so the chickens could not wake the cock. The cock could not wake the sun, and so the sun could not wake her up. So that is the end of the story. So now I'm going to ask you questions from the story that I've just shared with you. Okay, so the first question that I would like you to answer is, why was Mtinta late for school? Why was Mtinta late for school? Then the other one, in the story we heard that something came to Mtinta's house. What do you think came to Mtinta's house? So those are the two questions that I would like you to answer as we proceed with this lesson. Okay, so today I want us to look at a certain lesson that I'm sure it will be so interesting to you. So today I want us to look at a dirty dog. Do we have dogs at home? Do we keep them safely? Are they clean? So today I want us to look at a dirty dog. Dirty dog. So now when you're looking at a dirty dog, I'm going to read through a story, and I want us to write certain words from the story and read through. From there, I also want us to look at how we can write those words on our own without any help. So this story talks about the dirty dog. So now I would like you to pay attention as I read through this story. Okay. I want us to look at a dirty dog. Indeed, that dog is dirty. So now let's discuss, or let's follow one another as I read through the story. Okay. My dog was dirty. My dog was dirty. I put her in the bath. I put her in the bath. She did not like it. She did not like it. You can even tell how the face was for the dog. Okay? I washed her. I washed her. She did not like it. She kicked and splashed. She kicked and splashed. My dog was clean. My dog was clean. And I was dirty. And I was dirty. So I'm going to read through once more so that we can move together. My dog was dirty. My dog was dirty. Okay, I would love us to write the word dog on the board. So let's write the word dog on the board. Okay, so that is how you write the word dog. Okay, you read after me. Dog. Dog. Okay. Okay. My dog was dirty. My dog was dirty. Let's write the word dirty. Let's write the word dirty. Okay. Dirty. Dirty. Okay. My dog was dirty. Okay. My dog was dirty. Okay. I put her in the bath. I put her in the bath. Can you say after me? Bath. I put her in the bath. Can you say after me? Bath. How do you write the word bath? Let's write the word bath on the board. Okay? That is the word bath. Bath. Okay. I put her in the bath. I put her in the bath. She did not like it. She did not like it. Okay. Let's write the word did. She did not like it. Now I want us to write the word did. She did not like it. Let's write the word did on the board. Okay, that is the word did. Can you read together? Did. Did. Now, she did not. How do you write the word not? Not. Let's write the word not on the board. She did not like it. She did not like it. Let's continue with the story. Okay. I washed her. I washed her. I washed her. How do you write the word wash? Wash. Let's write the word wash on the board. That is how I write the word wash. Let's read after me. Wash. Wash. Okay. I washed her. I washed her. I washed her. She did not like it. She did not like it. She kicked and splashed. She kicked and splashed. Let's write the word kicked. Kicked. Okay? Kicked. That is how I write the word kicked. You read after me. Kicked. Kicked. Okay? She kicked and splashed. You can even tell even the splashes of water there. She kicked and splashed. Let's write the word splashed. Splashed. Okay, that is the word splashed. Splashed. Okay, she kicked and splashed. How is the dog now? My dog was clean. My dog was clean. Let's write the word clean. Clean. So that is how I write the word clean. Can you read after me? Clean. Clean. My dog was clean. And I was dirty. And I was dirty. Okay, so that marks the end of our story. So now I would love us to read through the words. Now, before we do that, I heard something like, I bathed her. I bathed her. I don't know if I washed her. Now, how do I write the word her? I washed her. How do I write the word her? Let's write the word her on the board. is how I write the word her. Her. Then I also heard from the story to say she kicked and splashed. She kicked and splashed. How do you write the word she? How do you write the word she? Let's write the word sh on the board. That is the word she. So we have she, her, clean, splashed, dog, dirty, bath, did not, wash, kicked. So these are some of the words that I want us to look at. These are some of the words that I want us to look at. Okay, now I want you to read after me. Dog, dog, dirty, dirty, bath, bath, did, did, not, wash, wash, kicked, kicked, splashed, splashed, clean, clean, her, her, she. Remember from the same story, we heard something like, she did not like it. She did not like. Now, how to write the word like? Let's write the word like on the board. So that is how we write the word like. I want you to read after me. Like. She did not like it. She did not like it. How do you write the word it? Let's write the word it on the board. So that is how we write the word it. That is how we write the word it. Okay? Not for eating, but a thing. She did not like it. Okay, let's read through the words together. Dog. Dog. Remember, we are looking at dirty dog. 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 Dirty. Dirty. Bath. Bath. Did. Did. Not. Wash. Wash. Kicked. Kicked, splashed, splashed, clean, clean, her, she, like, it. Okay, now there's something that I would love to share with you, and it is so interesting. When you look at the word splashed, splashed. That word can also be written as splash. Splash. The moment that is the word splash. Splash. The moment you put, then it becomes splashed. Splashed. Okay? Even the word kicked. Kicked. This word comes from the word kick. So how do you write the word kick? The moment you introduce ed, then it changes to kicked. Kicked. Okay. So this is what I've prepared for you. Now, before I go, I have two activities for you. Okay? I would like you to respond to the questions that I'm going to present before you. Okay. Okay, before we attempt this, I would love us to read through the story once more. Okay, so the first one is saying, my dog was dirty. My dog was dirty. How do you write the word was? Let's also learn how to write the word was. was. My dog was dirty. I put her in the bath. I put her in the bath. I put her in the bath. How do you write the word put? How do you write the word put? Let's also look at how we can write the word put. So that is how we write the word put. Put. I put her in the bath. But she did not like it. But she did not like it. How do you write the word but? How do you write the word but? Let's look at how we can write the word but. So that is how I write the word but. That is how I write the word but. Okay. My dog was dirty. I put her in the bath. But she did not like it. I washed her. I washed her. She did not like it. She kicked and splashed. She kicked and splashed. My dog was clean. My dog was clean. And I was dirty. And I was dirty. Now let's read through the words once more. Then I'm going to ask you to try out the spellings that I'm going to present to you. So the first word is dog. Dog. Dirty. Dirty. Bath. Bath. Did. Did. Not. Not. Washed. Wash, wash, kicked, kicked, splash, splash. Remember what I said when we introduce the word becomes splashed, splashed, clean, clean, hard, hard, she, like, it, was, put, but she did not like it. I put her in the bath. My dog was dirty. She kicked and splashed. She kicked and splashed. I washed her. I washed her. Wash. So if you want it to be washed, you put what? She did not like it. She did not like it. Bath. Dirty. Dog. So these are some of the ways that I would love you to know how to write them. Now, before I move, I would love to give you something to do at home. So the first activity that I would love you to do is spellings. So the first word that I would love you to write is number 1. Write the word put. Put. Number 2, you can also write the word was. Was. Number 3, you can write the word her. Her. Number 4, you can write the word did. Did. Then after that, you can also write the word not. Not. Then the last one, write the word it. It. Okay, so that is the first activity. And the second activity, the instruction is saying, use the words below to complete the story. Use the words below to complete the story. So these are the words that you're supposed to use in order for you to complete this story. So the first one is saying, my dash was dirty. My dash was dirty. Sorry, these words that you have here, the first one is kicked. Second one, dirty, washed, not, bath, dog, eat. So these are the words that you're going to use in order for you to complete the story that you're given below. So the first one, my dash was dirty. So find the word that will suit there. The other one, I put her in the dash. I put her in the dash. Look for the word that will suit them. She did dash like it. She did dash like it. Look for the word from the table to complete this one. I dash her. I dash her. Look for the word from here that will suit them. She dashed and splashed. She dashed and splashed. So look for the word from these which will suit them. So this is your activity, the first one and the second one. So this has been Teacher Kapembwa from Family School. Until next time.